Today we'll be touring this stunning home that is located in the Hayward Hills. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, living area 2,100 square feet, and has a beautiful panoramic view of the Bay Area. So walk right in. So right when you enter this home, you enter right into the formal living area. And as you can feel already in the camera, that there's tons of sunlight. And you're gonna notice this throughout the house, because this home has lots of windows and screen doors all throughout the home, which allows this warm sunlight to come in all throughout the day. And as you know, in California, sunny California, 80% of the time it's sunny. So you're gonna get a lot of sunlight in here. And these, the flooring throughout the house is original wood flooring, which gives you that warm feeling when you're stepping on these on this floor. So now, like I just mentioned, when you walk in, you have the formal living area, and then from that area, you come right into the right side, and this is your kitchen. As you come right in, you could notice that they've done some remodeling to this kitchen. They got new tile floors, quartz countertops, and did some fixtures with the cabinets. Now they're not replaced fully, but they've been redone and repainted. As I mentioned earlier, the home has lots of sunlight. You could see there's this huge skylight right in the kitchen, middle of the kitchen. And then you have this window that overlooks, which you're gonna get a better view of later, overlooks this beautiful view of the Bay Area. And you can see outside all the greenery that's around this house. And where our cameraman is standing right now, that is the formal dining area. And then this is your family room, you can call it, family area, where you can possibly put a TV screen out here, and you have your dining area right there. And you have a sliding door that opens out to the patio. And this is just one of the patios that is available in this home. There are 1, 2, 3 patios, which we're gonna be showing you guys in this video, but this patio leads out from the kitchen area, and you can see how much sunlight is out here, and it's just quiet, and there's just trees all around. Beautiful space right here to sit down and have your evening or your morning coffee, and just sit down and chop it up with your partner. All right, so we're done here. Now let's continue throughout the house. You have this huge garage that is connected to the family room and the kitchen. All right, now let's go check out the rooms. Let's go downstairs. So this area that you just saw was the first floor, or the leveled floor with the road that comes in and the garage. And now we're gonna go downstairs where all the rooms are. Let's go downstairs. And I just can't get over the fact of these huge windows, and I hope you guys could feel like the view through the camera of the hills, and this view is like throughout the whole house. All the rooms have it, the kitchen has it. It's just beautiful. This home is just built such in a beautiful way, and it's on a beautiful piece of property. All right, so coming downstairs, you have your laundry area, pretty spacious. And then you have, we'll just call this room number 1. And then, like most of the rooms in this house, this room also has large windows and a door that goes out to the big, large patio, which we're gonna show a little later. So we'll keep that for last. So let's go now check out the other rooms in this house. So before we go to room number 2, let's look at the bathroom. That is a full bathroom that is for the room number 1 we just saw. And then this room that is right here is this room number 2. Doesn't have a sliding door to the patio, but it has a large window that overlooks the pool. I forgot to mention there's a pool in this house, which we're gonna tour in a second. Now follow me into the master suite, my favorite part of the house. Pretty spacious room, a little bit bigger than room number 1 that we saw. Has a door that leads out, but before we go there, let's go ahead and look at the bathroom that has been remodeled. Tiling, new tiles, vanity, a large shower space, just gives you this warm feeling, and lots of space. So this is one of the walk-in closets. And then this is closet number 2 for this master suite. All right, so let's go ahead and go this way now and come out this side. More space right here. A linen closet for towels and linens. And now let's go outside to my favorite part of the house, always. All right, let's check out this patio that leads out, well, not patio, but a full pool, and a huge patio that leads out from the master bedroom. But as you could see, I just wish you guys were here standing in this peaceful paradise, because there's just bird noises. And if you're looking for a private space with no noise and just seclusion, this is your home. And this is the panoramic view that I was talking about earlier of the Bay Area. And you can smell just trees and greenery and pine. It smells fresh. And the home's been beautifully staged. And this property is on 1 acre of land, which we will also show you guys once we stroll down in the gardens. So now let's go take a stroll in the park. And like I mentioned, this property has 1 acre of land. Oh, this is beautiful, man. There's a lot of bees here. Gotta be careful. So, beautiful trees, fruit trees, just nature all around. And there's actually a gate down there that leads to more land, because your property line is not fully there. It's actually all the way down there. They haven't planted trees everywhere, but there's 1 acre, so you have more room down there that it comes with this property. So it's just a huge piece of property here. Again, I just can't fathom fully how beautiful this view is. It's just serene and quiet. And you have a view of other homes because you're on a height, and more greenery everywhere. And you're in what's called the green belt. And it's a pretty popular term used here in Hayward, that it's just surrounded by natural greenery all around you and tons of trails and hikes in the area. So if you're looking for a home that's close to that, this is going to be your ideal spot in an economically purchase price kind of situation in the Bay Area. That's going to be Hayward for you, where you can buy something like this for under 1.6 million, which is unheard of anywhere in the Bay Area. So I hope you enjoyed the tour of this property. This home is listed for $1,589,000, a price that is probably unmatched in other areas of the Bay Area for something like this that's situated on such a beautiful piece of property in a very highly desired Highland area of Hayward, connected to a bunch of trails, right next to the Cal State East Bay University, has a pool in the property, and has 3 decks in the home and 2,100 square feet of living area, 3 full bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 1 acre of lot. And if you've liked this property tour and you would want more information on this home, please click on the description and you'll find a link there that you can click on to connect with me and my team. If you have enjoyed the tour of this property and you like the content that we're creating, please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button to get more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is Karan Singh. Until next time.